Change the seat out. Bolt's broken, it's kind of beat up. They drilled holes in it. I'm gonna try to fix this seat so I have a spare. I do like having spare seats. There's a fresh unit. New KTM seat. Also gonna pull some of the stickers off of this. Just not my thing. All de-stickered. I think it looks a lot better, but it needs cleaned up still. I'll do that when I detail the bike up. Did get a plate for it. Kind of sketchily mounted, but it'll do till I get the other tail light put on. I don't love this whole rear tail section situation. So I got this off eBay and some turn signals like this. Little guys. They're actually pretty bright. They're what I got on my DRZ. I actually like those quite a bit. That's why I keep reusing them. New tail lights on with new turn signals. I got nicer bolts coming for this. I thought I had more and didn't. But it works. And the turn signal wiring and the bike side, I need to figure out what's what since there was none on it. I got a service manual on the way and I'll get that all taken care of. But turn it on. Turn it on, the light works. Everything works like it should. Put the new tail light on. And I just used the hardware I had laying around. I thought I had more. So I got some more and let's change it out. All kinds of fun reaching up in here. It's right by the turn signal light with the turn signal indicator. Get this one over here. Get rid of the purple guy. Looks better than the 2 bolts in the purple guy. Installed a Sicass off-road flasher relay in their turn signal flasher kit. Because when I had the turn signals hooked up before, it would come on and then stay on. So now, you hit the switch, got flashing. Just how it should be. Tail light works. We're in good business in the light department. It took some time and moved the plate. It's now mounted here. It's pretty sturdy. Nothing I'm too worried about. The bike doesn't have a skid plate on it, and that's just something I really like on a bike. So I got this is Cerebe's plastic one because I actually like plastic skid plates quite a bit, and it already has a bracket up here. So let's put that on.